Jayda is getting dragged on social media again, or should I say she's getting dragged, and then there are some people that's taking up for her. So you guys know Jayda has her own brand, which is called Wait a Minute, and she sells different clothing on there. So this is not the first time she has been called out for copying another brand or copying another influencer, but this time she is getting called out for copying a Casablanca set. And like I said, some people was dragging her, and some people felt like, okay, other big brands do the same thing to smaller brands and influencers, so why should we care? So as you guys can see, Jayda's brand Wait a Minute is on the left, and then the Casablanca brand is on the right side. And a lot of people feel like Jayda's fits better and it looks way better than the Casablanca set. People gave their thoughts and opinions on the matter. One person said, I like Jayda, but her whole company is inspired by other designs. It seems like a get-rich scheme based on the fact that she can't come up with anything original. Someone else said, dang, she can't think of nothing. And like I said, a lot of people in the comment section was taking up for Jayda and saying that bigger brands do it to smaller brands all the time. And one person said, I was just saying that set look T but familiar. I mean, hey, they steal from us. As long as she ain't stealing from us no more, she good. Someone said her looks better and it's not $500. Another user chimed in and said, y'all can't afford Casablanca, but y'all can afford Wait a Minute though, so what's the problem? Okay, but Shein, Steve Madden, Fashion Nova, Kim K, other designs do it, then you love it. Someone else said, this is not our first set to mimic a Casablanca set, and at the same time, the high-end designers copy stuff all the time. Isn't that what Fashion Nova and Shein do? LMAO, why is it always an uproar when black women do stuff? So like I said, some people was dragging her, and a lot of people feel like, hey, other brands do it, bigger brands do it, why can't she do it? But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on that. And moving on to the next topic, Ari Fletcher is getting fried in the comment section after she decided to make a tweet about being classy. Ari tweeted and said, y'all taking that classy aesthetic too far. It's a way to look polished and clean without looking 55 years old, boo. And after that, she got fried in the comment section because some people feel like Ari doesn't dress classy or she doesn't have a classy aesthetic herself. One person in the comment section said, class is something we know you know nothing of. Girl, we get it. Someone else said, respectfully, you shouldn't be telling anyone how to dress classy. Someone else then said, coming from a girl who dresses and acts like a stripper every chance she gets, have a seat. I would never take classy style advice from someone who shakes her peach for likes. Classy starts with character. Then they brought up Taina, which is G Herbo's girlfriend, fiance, and they said it's classy. Even when she wears less, the class stands out first. Someone else says, again, these are the people that influence y'all, but can't spell or use words in the right context for ish. Well, I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on that. Do you guys feel like Ari has the right to speak on people dressing classy and the classy aesthetic? Like she said, people taking the classy aesthetic too far and they're looking like they're 55 years old. Let me know if you agree with her down in the comment section below.